Why do I love my Indigo? Well, we bake our own bread from scratch, so that means there's a lot of airborne yeast that can play havoc with our machine. So we went with Indigo because of Luminice, which slows the growth of bacteria inside the food zone. Combined with onboard cleaning prompts in multiple languages through its easy-read display, the decision to choose Indigo was easy for us. With our Indigo, our cleaning time is cut in half, and with the Luminice option, we don't have to clean as often. Our staff loves Indigo because you can disassemble all the components that need cleaning in less than a minute without ever having to use any tools. Compared to the other ice machine we had, that is a significant time saver. And because the food zone is front-facing, you don't need to get up on a ladder to clean it or even remove the side panels. I don't want to constantly worry whether or not our equipment is being cleaned to food-safe standards. Indigo has onboard instructions through its easy-read display, which guides me through the cleaning process. We have hard water here, so to keep the evaporator clean, it's this simple. We just press the button, add the cleaner when the easy read tells us to, and that's it. The Indigo does the rest. There's even a countdown timer that tells us how much time is left in the cleaning cycle. Convenient, right? The time we save cleaning and the peace of mind knowing the equipment is being cleaned correctly, that's why I love my Indigo.